we are here to discuss about the case study topic, the problems that we face during group discussions. So, according to my view, that is what problem that students often face, and why group discussion is not continuous or is not just a bit monotonous, or you have so much gap from one person to other person. It is because of they are not aware of the do's and don'ts actually. Okay, so before, like, even if you have so many practices for group discussions, at the final discussion you may not be able to make it as perfect as you have you practiced earlier. So according to my wish, the solution will be like, if you are very clear enough about the do's and don'ts, there will not be any confusion. Okay. So the case is that group discussions are not perfect. Why, and what is the problem that you face while doing group discussion? Why there is so much of pause, or why there is so much of confusion among a team? Because the topic is already given, and you practice also, you prepare your points, and then you come for the discussion. But then also you are not able to make it up, you are not able to make it spontaneously, fluency, and so many other things are there. So let us discuss about the problems.
One shouldn't interrupt others while speaking, and we shouldn't lose temper and shout at others.
Yes, that issue is always there. You should not interrupt when a person is speaking. You have to be patient enough. You have to listen. You have to nod your head. You have to support your team. Those are the problems actually. Yes. What according to you?
And according to inferiority complex, so point what you tell, what others will think the one.
Yes, being very hesitant. Okay, whether it is right or not, and that will also bring a big pause, and you need a push. Somebody should ask you, please stop, like they expect. Yes, being hesitant is one of the reasons that I have seen in many of the students. Good. Then?
Make one speaker for what they speak before he speak.
Yes, you have to wait, and that's being patient until the person who is speaking has to complete. You have to wait and then start the discussion.
Maybe we should be clear in our point. We should know our point and then we should speak. We should not go out of the topic that the others should understand our point of view.
Yes, that issue is also there in most of the cases. That is talking out of the topic. They get very enthusiastic after listening so many team members talking about something, and they get distracted and they just go out of the topic in few cases. That is also there. You should always stick to the topic. Okay. So how it can be corrected? Practice, or what can be made to make this problem, this issue?
We should have proper communication skill, and we should politely wait for others to finish it. We should then say our part.
Okay. Then
Have practice
you should have more practice.
aware of our body language.
Okay, you should be aware of your body language.
We should be with it professionally so that
You should maintain some professionalism. Okay. Other than that, what have you felt? What made you not be practice of communication that you have. And another thing is you should build the skill of listening to others. Okay, just whoever speaks, you should have the patience to listen to. So listening skill, speaking skill, and the team building, teamwork, helping others. Okay, you should have that team spirit that it is a teamwork, it is not an individual work. So that kind of attitude will definitely help to overcome all the issues that we face in group discussion. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
The other piece